If you want to use Live Translator on your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, let's check into our built-in Live Translator. So you can open up your settings. Then here, open up your search bar and let's search for our Live Translate. In this menu, make sure that it's on. So choose the languages which you want to translate. Now, if you're gonna open up any kind of website or message which is not in English, it's gonna be live translated to English. If you want to have your live conversator, open up your Play Store, press search, then locate for your Google Translate, install it. I have it pre-installed because it's Google Pixel. However, on many phones it's not, so do that. Now tap on your conversation mode. Here you can set up 2 languages. If you're gonna tap here, it's gonna switch between the modes. So this is like, now you can talk in Georgian, for example, it's gonna be translated to English or basically to any language which you can. So choose the desired mode and that's how it works. This is our conversating mode and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.